just gonna let you know that whatever bullshit excuse you're making about getting a car, accomplishing something or whatever, that it's bullshit, and I'm about to call everyone out on it, and that way you can be inspired to get off your ass. I had the hardest time ever walking to work every day. I got paid $8 an hour working at a sandwich shop, and I worked 20 hours a week. I think I was paid like around $300 every 2 weeks. And so yeah, $150 a week, like that's nothing. I think anyone kind of has the opportunity to make at least $8 an hour for 20 hours a week, probably greater. The car was $300 a month for I think 2 years. I don't feel like doing the math right now, but it was around $3,000 to $4,000. It was a shitty car. The seatbelt didn't work. The honk didn't work. Like, it would not pass inspection. $300 every 2 weeks. I would take out $200 and put it towards the car, and then the next $100 I would use for the rest of the week on food and school stuff, and that was all of my money, all of it. And I was very good about not spending on food because I worked at a sandwich shop. I had free lunch at school, so I would save the school lunch to eat for dinner, or the breakfast I would save to eat for lunch at school. So that's how I got free food, and I didn't pay for any clothes or anything else. The stuff that I had to save up for was also school stuff. So knowing that separation, like if you're going out every weekend or whatever, I mean, you can go out every weekend. There's free ways to do that too, if you know what I mean. No, I'm just kidding. Knowing that difference of like when to spend, when not to spend is the fucking key to your entire existence. And also thinking that you need certain things that you need to spend money on, but you really don't, that's gonna fuck you over in the end. So very fast, separate this. Organize your money. Whenever it comes down to it and you have to prioritize your money like that, you start to notice that there's things that you don't really need to pay for that you've been paying for, like fancy food or fancy clothes, that be able to have money for things that actually matter, that are actually helping your growth. I don't know if there's any other pointers, but what I want this channel to be about is give you life tips that I've been through that I think would help anybody out, to really inspire you and kind of figure out that whatever circumstance you're in, that you can succeed. Because no matter what you think you have or you don't have, it doesn't matter, because in the end it's up to you. So follow, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button if I don't know, find a reason yourself, sorry.